So first up one, the series is start on a total in English language. So we discuss for chemistry in higher class. So today our topic is IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. So first of one, what is the meaning of IUPAC? The International Federation to decide what is the particular compound having what is the molecular formula to decide for IUPAC. So it is the total meaning of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So first of one, today we discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. So first of one, what is the meaning of organic compound? The organic compound having element presents carbon and hydrogen to bond between carbon to hydrogen or carbon to carbon. So first of one, organic compound like as organic compound. Sorry. Compound. So organic compound having when formula having the carbon or carbon hydrogen element presents like CH2 of is CH4. This is also means like organic compound like as CH2 means C double triple bond CH or H. This is called first of all, this is called two carbon. So one carbon called meth means methane, and the carbon between triple bond so called methine. But here have present two carbon so called ethine. Means meth means one and eth means two. So methine means having compound one carbon atom, and ethine means having carbon two atom. So just like CH4 is also organic compound. So first of one, we discuss about the organic compound. So organic compound. So classification of organic compound. So the base of classification for organic compound is divided in two forms. The first forms and second forms is so classification of organic compound. The organic compounds are two type. One is open chain compound and second is closed compound. Open chain compound called acyclic compound and closed compound called cyclic compound. So first here we discuss about acyclic compound. So acyclic compound means what is the meaning of a cycle and compound. A cycle is the compound having a straight chain, just like CH3, CH2 and CH3. Here the chain present is called straight line, means linear compound. This is called open chain compound. So here we called acyclic compound, and after that we write cyclic compound. Cyclic compound means cycle. Cycle means a compound having to repeat to complete 360-degree, means a cycle to make a circle between the carbon atom called, like normally we call benzene. Benzene means C6H6. So we call the cyclic compound having the cycle means benzene structure like as this is called benzene structure. So benzene we call benzene is a cyclic compound, and this is called how many carbon? So here we have 1 2 3 4 carbon, so we called butane. So butane is a acyclic compound, means open chain compound. So the classification of organic compounds are derived in two way. First acyclic and second is cyclic. So we have example of acyclic and we have example of cyclic. So we go on next topic. So here we discuss about cyclic compounds. The cycle means the compound having to move to forms 360-degree, means a carbon atom to complete whole circle. So it will be called cyclic compound. So after that, the classification of cyclic compounds are derived in two way. So first of one, So first of one two way. So compound called first is carboxylic compound. First compound called carboxylic compound, and second called heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic heterocyclic compound. So the cyclic compounds are two types. One is called carboxylic compound and second is called heterocyclic compound. So this topic we will discuss about later. So first up one today this time we discuss the homologous series. So first up one we discuss about homologous series. After that we go on carboxylic compound and heterocyclic compound. This is the main function to perform the IUPAC nomenclature of any compound. So we discuss about homologous series. A homologous series is the adjacent of member which differs on CH2 units. This is called homologous series. Means the homologous series having to differ on a carbon to hydrogen compound means the unit of CH2 is the CH2 unit. So and the next point of view of the homologous series is the homologous series having the next unit is the all compounds having homologous series is contain same functional group and same chemical series. And the other point of view is the homologous series is all compound of this group having the represent of this general formula. In the homologous series having the molecular formula differ on the number of carbon atom present in the compound. If the carbon atom is the present in the compound is 2 or more than 2 and 4 otherwise, then the homologous series having the compound names different. So we discuss about the next topic is in all homologous series compounds having same chemical properties. In the compound having homologous series which is same chemical properties but different physical property. Why different physical property? Means the different physical property called the compounds having the carbon atom is less and carbon atom is less and carbon atom is more. Then if carbon atom is more, then the molecular mass of the particular compound is higher, and if the carbon atom is less, then molecular mass of the particular compound is lower. So the molecular compound having the different molecular mass, so it will be physical properties slightly different, just like all the methane physical property, ethane physical property and propane physical property is totally different but the same chemical property because all compounds are having in homologous series. So we have different homologous series. Then example like called first of one we write alkanes, and second is alkenes, and third is alkynes. And after that many different homologous series called like arenes, phenol, aldehyde, and ketone, and other is carboxylic acid, amide, and thyrol. The total number of examples are belong in homologous series. The all homologous series having the same chemical property but totally different physical property because the homologous series always explain when the compound have same functional group and compound the elements have same size will present, so it will be having the same chemical property but slightly different in physical property due to depend on molecular mass. If the number of the other atom is higher, then the molecular mass is slightly different, and other have the molecular elements is lower, then the molecular mass is also be lower. So it will be we directly call the depend on the molecular mass. So so physical property is directly proportional to molecular mass. So our topic is going to hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon. So first of all, what is the meaning of hydrocarbon? A hydrocarbon compound called a compound having carbon and hydrogen is present is called hydrocarbon. Like methane, ethane, propane, butane, it is called hydrocarbon because the compound having carbon also present and hydrogen also present. So hydrocarbon, and after we go the classification of hydrocarbon, there are two types of hydrocarbon. So everyone know that two types of hydrocarbon, first called saturated hydrocarbon and second called unsaturated hydrocarbon. So we discuss about what is the saturated hydrocarbon. Means the parts called, first is saturated hydrocarbon. So what is saturated hydrocarbon? So saturated hydrocarbon called, it will be contain one single bond between two carbon atom or carbon to hydrogen atom, means called single bond present between carbon to carbon or carbon to hydrogen, means called. So always, so first of all, this always particular topic here we have all carbon to hydrogen between always single bond, never to dual bond. If the carbon to dual bonds are called with carbon to H2, means the particular is CH or H. So it is called single bond present between carbon to hydrogen. So always present, like methane, ethane and propane, many other. So here we write the structural formula, means the diagram of state. So methane is called formula is CH4, and so present carbon hydrogen and here. So here we know the carbon and hydrogen, the bond present between carbon and hydrogen is single bond, and ethane have also CH, so H like H. So here we know the carbon present single bond, carbon hydrogen present single bond, so called the saturated hydrocarbon. If the single bond present between carbon or hydrogen. So I think clear everyone. And second we go to unsaturated hydrocarbon.